On behalf of Ombudsman Punjab, it gives me immense pleasure and pride to announce a remarkable milestone recently achieved by the Office of Ombudsman Punjab. The institution has been awarded the ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification by SGS United Kingdom Limited, a globally recognized certification body. The certification is merely a formal recognition. It is clear reflection of tireless effort, dedication, and visionary leadership of Honorable Ombudsman Punjab, whose unwavering commitment to institution excellence has brought this honor to our organization. The ISO certification covers the delivery of complaint management services through information and communication technology (ICT) using the Ombudsman Punjab Management Information System (OPMIS). The certification affirms that our processes for addressing and resolving grievances related to maladministration by provincial government departments, agencies, public sector entities within Punjab fully comply with the international standard of quality, transparency, and efficiency. It is indeed encouraging that the certification applies not only to the head office but also to all working across the district of Punjab, as well as the research and development wing of the Office of Ombudsman Punjab. Distinguished guests, the Office of Ombudsman Punjab was established in 1997 under the Founding Act with the mandate to provide free, impartial, and expeditious redressal of grievances against maladministration. Since its inception, the institution has consistently strived to improve accessibility, service delivery, and public trust. The achievement of ISO 9001-2015 certification is a ceremony to the fact that our office is now aligned with globally recognized standard of quality management. This means that every complaint lodged with our office is dealt with through documented, standardized, and transparent procedure, ensuring both fairness and efficiency. For peoples of Punjab, this certification translates into improved service delivery through efficient complaint handling, transparency and accountability in addressing maladministration, greater public confidence in the institution, and enhanced accessibility of service through digital platforms such as OPMIS, making the process easier, faster, and more reliable. Our office remains firmly committed to ensuring that grievance redressal process remains citizen-friendly, cost-free, effective, in accordance with the law, and in line with the international best practices. Ladies and gentlemen, the role of regional offices is central to extending service delivery to the grassroots level. With offices located throughout Punjab, citizens no longer need to travel long distances to seek justice. Instead, they can conveniently approach through local regional offices with the assurance that their grievances will be addressed in professional and timely manner. To further ease access, particularly in southern Punjab, the office has recently launched a pilot initiative, the Awami Khidmat program, through mobile complaint van. This project literally takes our services to the people's doorstep, enabling the grievances to be registered and addressed swiftly without the hardship of long journey. The historic achievement reinforces our collective responsibility to enhance the quality of services and strengthen the trust reposed in us by the people of Punjab. At this important juncture, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Ombudsman Punjab for her vision and leadership, to the head office and regional offices for their and dedication, to the district administration for their cooperation and support, and to the media and civil society for consistently highlighting the grievances of common man and standing by our mission for providing justice at the doorstep to the citizen. Ladies and gentlemen, the ISO 9001-2015 certification is not the end of our journey. It makes the beginning of new chapter. It challenges us to sustain and further improve the quality of our services, to listen more attentively to the voice of the people, and continue striving for transparency, accountability, and good governance across our province. With the prayer and support of the people of Punjab, and under the able guidance of Honorable Ombudsman Punjab, we are confident that the institution will achieve even greater milestone in future. Thank you very much for all. Pakistan. I'm thankful for all of you once again, and especially the district administration for giving the venue and supporting us in every matter. Most of our matters are concerned with the administration, but we are lucky to have DC Saiba and other officers to support us. Similar is the case with media. Media has played an important role, especially Pak News has been supporting us in every matter. So I am thankful for all of you for attending this process, and if I will request Madam Saiba to
of this milestone, and I hope all other public departments replicate this achievement, inshallah. Best wishes.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
आप देख रहे हैं पाक न्यूज, पाकिस्तान की आवाज।